What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. Hey, it's your boy XFGlive, aka XFLACKOGOD.
Oh, say less.
We back with it with another reaction video. Look, this one is by Kyle SRT, building a one of one, all-wheel drive 170 Demon. The Demon! 300 in under 30 minutes. Chat, he's about to build a Chrysler Demon. Let's see how this shit go, chat. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, that's the Trackhawk. Ooh, the Tracky. Pull up in that Trackhawk, going crazy. And I'm gonna let the video play. It's like some Linkin Park shit. Okay, chat. Damn, his shit got total. Not the airbag. What the fuck? I don't even. Yo, what happened? I bought a flooded 2019 Chrysler S. Okay. New beginnings. Thought I was gone, but then I pulled up. Yeah, I ain't even trying to make a song, but the way that I've been gone for so long, they like, yo, you gotta drop a song. Damn, this shit drop, yo. Okay, off on chat. Let me lock in. We're looking at the journey right now. This motherfucker bought a flooded Chrysler. I ain't gonna lie, chat. When they be doing the fucking engine swaps on these cars, it be fire. It be fire. Like, okay, they took out the engine on that motherfucker. I had to buy this 2021 scat pack for additional parts. Yo, he buying a lot of cars. He got money. This song is vibey. Facts. Pull up in the track. Niggas talking about that shit, but they don't got the pack. I would pull up, I remember nice flipping pack. Now I wake up, I go out in stage of Queens. On the run, they talking mans on the nice of me. It's the shit so far before they miss me. Alright, yo, let me chill. Yo, I don't know what they doing. They probably gonna take the dashboard and put it in the Chrysler. Oh yeah. Yeah. This shit about to be official. What they gonna do with the Trackhawk? Now we strip the Trackhawk. Yo, this beat fire. My boy got a mopar hoodie. Okay. Oh, this shit might be a little bit too loud. I'll put it like that right there. In fact, that's valid. What they do? Okay, so they just stripping the Trackhawk. You know what this beat remind me of? The shooter gang. Nah, yo, Chef G and Sleepy Hollow back in the days that shit was fire. They still is fire. Let me know in the comments if y'all fuck with their music, man. What song y'all be busting? What does this remind you of? Bro, this remind me some fire, vibey, cloudy shit. Like, hold on. Smoking in the Trackhawk in the rain. Hold up. Smoking pain in the rain. Hold up. I'm smoking pain in the rain. Take that smoke up to the brain. Give a fuck about what you think. Pull up out the bank. Whoa. Escalate. I come up through. You know I escalate. Bitch, I smoke just to escalate. Big body escalate. I pull up and I'm gone. Big body Trackhawk, give a fuck, you know I'm gone. Chrysler 300, bitch, you know I'm gone. Damn. In that Beamer, bitch, you know I'm gone. My boy in that Ferrari, you know he gone. I'm gonna be so high by the end of this song. Yo. Nah, they really. Nah, this beat. Oh, nah, this be tough, chat. This be tough. Yo, they really doing their thing on this shit. I don't even know how many parts they done took out. Yo, that car is done. Uh-oh, the Ram truck. Yeah, they about to take that car out of here. They are done with that shit. Yo, look, yo, they stripped that shit completely. Nah, what they about to do with this? Oh, nah. Okay, so this is the what is this? The Chrysler? What is this? The Chrysler right now? Shoot. You can. Hey, hold on, yo, where he be finding these beats? Nah, these beats is. Yeah, it's a 300. Okay. I'm in that 300, doing 300. I'm in the highway, they can't see it. Now I'm trying to get it, but you're my way. I ain't paying shit with that credit. Bitch, it's cash, talking about a stash. Bitch, I pull up with the stash. I ain't even trying to go so fast. I ain't trying to crash, but I gotta do the race. Bitch, I'm in a high-speed chase. Pull up at the dance, I give a fuck what they say. Bitch, I gotta hit the drifts. I do the donut, then I dip. Give a fuck about the shit. Wanna talk about the shit, bitch, I pull up, damn, pull up, damn. Yo, they really doing that shit. Yo, bro, why he putting these beats on here and there's no commentary? It's like, this shit made me just want to rap, like. Okay, hey, pull up, give a fuck what he say. Pull up with it. Pull up, got a spray. Pull up, got a shit on the day. Give a fuck about it. Pull up, go right. They don't wanna talk this thing. Nigga gon' pull up with a stain. Pull up with a bang. They don't wanna talk with a bang. Damn. VVs, they came from Johnny Dang. Bitch, I pull up with the stain. Pull up, let that shit go bang. What the fuck? What the fuck? Pull up in the cut like how you, man. Hold up, pull up in the cut. I hit that uppercut, no Ryu. Fuck that shit. I hump up in that info, go right by you. Hold up. Yo, nah, they really doing some shit right now. I'm over here just bullshitting, chat. I'm over here just goofing off. Nah, but they really going to work though. Like I know y'all see them putting this shit together. Yo, was that an Alfa Romeo? What the fuck? Alfa Romeo and Juliet. Oh, I thought that shit was gonna drop. Beat go, yo. Oh my god, bro. Where does he find these beats? Yo, chat. Where does he find these beats, bro? What the fuck? Nah. So you get. No, bro. These beats so hard, bro. This about to be a freestyle. Like, I remember times was hard. Pull up. I be pulling in that GTR. Give a fuck, I turned this shit into a GTA. I ain't even trying to place. Give a fuck, I'm in the race. I gotta hit the numbers in the database. I told my mom I'm about to hit the bank for 100K. I was going through it, then I gotta do it. I was trying to get the shit, I ain't trying to use it, but I had to use it, bitch, I had to go and learn it. I'm talking about this earnest, for that shit for my burn it. Give a fuck, I'm trying to go earnest, send that shit, I'm in earnest. I'm trying to go make some earnest. Yeah, let me chill, bro. He keep putting these beats, chat. I'm over here just thinking about bars and shit. But he doing his shit right now. You see what he doing? What they taking out the transmission? Oh no, they just putting shit together. Oh, you see that? See that supercharger in that bitch? Yeah, chat. We see it. It's almost there. We see it. Swapping engine harness. Okay, that engine looking fire. Yes, sir.
I hope so.
Yes, sir, chat. Soon, that shit gonna be nice. I see it, chat. Supercharger just looks so beautiful, chat. Y'all know I fuck with the superchargers. I love the superchargers. Them shits just be, you feel me? Damn. You gotta place that motherfucker in there. Okay. It's like some superhero music shit. Like, what the fuck, chat? This like when you just watch a superhero movie and you walking out the movie theater, the ending credits, and they just playing some fucking shit like this. You like, damn. How the fuck? That shit got you thinking you in that bitch. You like, yo, how you gonna save the world? Like. Nah, why the fuck this shit playing like this though? Whew, you see them rims? Okay. My boy gotta do all them wires. You know, some shit. Okay. Yeah, this shit go hard, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, why he got all these engines? Nah, he's going crazy. Y'all see that transmission with the engine, chat? I don't know too much, chat, but I'm learning. You feel me? We learning together, chat. Oh man. Yo, he about to make, yo, he this some Need for Speed shit. This motherfucker making his shit Need for Speed. Nah, that's so tough though. Nah, that is tough, chat. Gotta put that shit on there. Yeah. They got that engine lifter. I feel like to do shit like this is like you need like a lot of like lifters and a lot of space, bro, with a lot of tools. Okay. Let's see here. Alright, yo, he's connecting that shit on there. Okay. Whew. Shit looking fire, chat.
Oh, say less.
Nah, yo, bro. The beats he chose for this video, S+, bro. S+. A1 S+, like, cool. Y'all see that intake? Oh my god. Yes, sir. With the filter and shit. Yo, fuck that. You see the engine on that motherfucker? What? You see that engine, bruh? Oh, the red key. Yeah, you need a shop so no one tries to steal your shit and tools to do an engine swap and engine stand and hoist. That's what I'm saying, chat. It's a lot of stuff we need, bro. It's gonna be hard to do that shit in Gotham City, chat. I need to turn into Batman and get me a bat cave and the parts to do it. Facts. I mean, shit, chat. As long as we have each other, bro, we can do anything, bro. Holy, what the fuck? He gotta do a couple of connecting. He about to swap the dashboard and all that shit. It's possible, chat. Y'all know anything's possible. Just gotta stay focused. Always believe, man. Never give up. Yeah, me, I can do it, but I don't have another engine. I know. Ooh! Yeah, chat. Oh my God, yes. Yes. Look at the, oh, this shit looks so sexy. Yo. That's what we talking about, bruh. Y'all see that motherfucking 300, bro? There, chat. That shit looking fire. I gotta get another one.
Oh, you can! Oh, you can! Oh, you can!
It's fire, chat. Woo! Nah. That's fire. That yo. Oh, nah, yo. That car is tough, bruh. I like it too. Fuck that, I love it. Look at the car, bro. This shit is fire. W's, chat. W's. Hardest mopar on YouTube. Okay. Chat, that was Power SRT, man. Damn, chat, damn. Hey, man, if you liked the video, please hit that like button, share, subscribe, comment if you new. It's your boy XFGlive, and I'm out, man. That was fire. 8.